it's Shayla. Oh my god, have I got a story for you? I got a call from my agency and they asked me to play this club. You are never gonna believe the shit that I had to go through. Oh my god. Your time? Motherfucker, you're wasting my time. I'm supposed to be playing in 15 minutes. Why don't you go check with your manager, okay? Oh my god. Line. Guess what? I had to line up for like half a fucking hour. I eventually made my way into the club and I look around, I was like, where the fuck is a DJ booth? I finally found it and the guy that was playing says to me, you're late. I can't believe he spoke to me like that. What is everybody's problem? My god. So I get my shit together and I start playing my favourite track, and then the whole dance floor stops and everybody was staring at me. Meanwhile, the club owner approaches me and says, excuse me, can you please stop playing that junk because nobody likes that kind of music in here. I was like, what do you want me to do? I don't have anything else to play. So he goes to the back room, brings me a whole box of commercial shit for me to play and goes, here you go sweetheart, you can play these. God, that was surely the shittiest freaking club that I have ever played at.